Aquamarine waters, soft sand shores, vibrant corals, and colorful fish playing in the ocean. It is this dreamy seascape that has pulled all of you here and makes the Andaman Islands such an incredible getaway. Beyond the shimmering waters lies the choking marine life and toxic plastic litter piles. According to the United Nations, more than 8 million tons of plastic enter the oceans each year. And by 2050, it is predicted that the oceans will carry more plastic mass than fish. The only solution for protecting this magical paradise from further decay is to keep plastics out of our ocean, a task difficult to achieve but not impossible. With this vision to create a sustainable future for the delicately balanced Andaman Islands, Make My Trip Foundation has been strategizing and working towards minimizing and controlling plastic pollution in the oceans here. We are working with local authorities, hoteliers like Seashell, and partners like Kachre Wale Foundation to curb the problem of plastic pollution right at the root. From conducting workshops for fishermen, hoteliers, tourists, local guides, panchayat and shopkeepers to encourage good waste management practices, to educating local children about their biodiverse environment through forest walks, snorkeling and more. We are doing our bit to create passionate sustainability ambassadors on ground. Through various volunteer-based beach and underwater cleanup drives, over 1,000 kgs of waste has been collected from the oceans and responsibly disposed of. We are also working towards creating infrastructure that promotes sustainability. Toilets, showers, changing rooms, lockers, and a water ATM have been installed at Bharatpur Beach. All these efforts have made a great impact. And together, we can make more magic happen. Here are some simple ways to contribute. Carry reusable bottles and mugs. Avoid littering. Segregate your waste while disposing. Refrain from buying packaged food and single-use plastic bottles. Take part in beach cleanups while you are here. Come, do your bit on this trip and set an example for responsible tourism. The ocean does not deserve plastic as souvenirs.